Hi everyone, these are the new Oakley Meta smart glasses. I'm literally so excited and let's open it up together. The glasses case feels super smooth and soft to the touch, but it's still really sturdy. Love the minimalist design in the matte black with a concise Oakley logo on top. And one little thing I did notice is the edge here is just a little bit fuzzy, not perfectly smooth, but it's not quite a big deal. It's a little bit tricky to take them out because the glasses are connected. Oh my gosh, they're so cool! I went for the transparent style where the top half is black and the bottom half is completely transparent. Love it! And look how subtle the technology is! The camera is right here on the side of the frame, tiny and integrated. On the temple arms, you have the Oakley oval logo, and then if you look closely inside the right arm, Meta logo is hidden there. I've got the transition lens so they're completely clear indoor. Now let's try them on. What do we think? They feel really normal actually. They don't feel heavy or bulky at all, which is what I was a little bit worried about. They just feel like a regular pair of Oakleys. I could definitely see myself wearing these all day. And that's what they look like from the side. The case is also a magnetic charging case with an indicator light for the status. And listen to that satisfying click when it closes. Now I'm taking you guys on a little walk with me in rainy London. As it's so cloudy and rainy today, my transition lenses are not actually changing color to gray, but anyway, you can see the video quality is pretty good, right? The only thing is that you can only record for up to 3 minutes at a single clip. In terms of the sound, you can hear all the ambient sounds around me, like the cars and little noises. The microphones pick up a lot, which is great. Well, not always. We're getting some fried chicken for dinner tonight, and here's what it looks like when you're filming an ordering screen. And I had to test out the photo mode, of course. The static pictures are quite sharp, and look how good our chicken and onion rings look. On the way home, here at Wembley Stadium we have yellow stairs as Coldplay just finished a whole month of concerts here. And trust me, it's quiet now, but it was completely another scenario when the crowds were here. One little problem I did run into, and as a heads up for anyone with long hair or wearing hoodies a lot, my hair and the edge of my hood would get in the way of the camera a lot, so you just have to be a little mindful when you're filming. If you guys like this type of videos, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe, and I'll try to do a more in-depth one, hopefully on a sunny day. And I'll leave you with this beautiful shot of Wembley Park taken by my new glasses. See you soon!